Hi everybody, this is Mr. Marchok and we are doing homework for the week of February 21st. We have words with final ER and AR. We're sorting those and we have a few challenge words. Practice words with ER, AR, and go from there. Very straightforward. Secondly, we have two what are called independent worksheets. We're starting some larger multiplication numbers and or multiplying larger numbers. We're starting out with tens and 100s and thousands, and this is primarily a review for some of us, for most of us, and yet we're going to need this foundation to go forward. But it does get a little bit more challenging, especially with the challenge section. And then we have more hundreds and thousands multiplying by. It shouldn't take very long for you to do this. A couple story problems thrown in there. I encourage you to go to IXL and work on some of the large multiplication, so multi-digit multiplication. The third thing is a little twist to our reading log. And instead of doing a reading log, we are going to be doing a reading or nightly reading comic. And so I'm going to hand out this section. Over here, I want the title in here, and you can put by whoever made it, yourself. Or you can always sign it off to the bottom right like some artists, comic book artists do. The criteria is that there is a title. It needs to have captions. That's why these little sections here are existing. These are for the captions. So there are six panels for your comic book or comic strip rather of your nightly reading. And the third criteria is if you're doing fiction, I want you to have some dialogue with your figures. And if you are doing nonfiction, I want you to create some diagrams, label those diagrams, and go from there. So if you're doing informational texts, you can be doing diagrams instead of dialogue because that doesn't really exist. So I hope that helps, and if not, please email me or give me a call or send a note. Thank you. Bye-bye.